Hello everybody, today is Wednesday, March 7th. It's 3:48 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, about 10 minutes before the regular session close, and you can see my computer clock here at 3:48, and the E-mini S&P currently trading at 2728.50 or 75. Quite a run in the E-mini S&P to the upside after testing the 2700 level, rallied 30 points, and it was a pretty excellent day for the Autotrader. First up is the E-mini S&P on a regular Renko chart. Been seeing this chart quite a bit. This is using our higher time frame. This did 1712 for the day, and I have a 1750 profit target on this, which is really high for the E-mini S&P, and this is trading 3 contracts, so it's roughly a little more than $500 a contract. And we have fixed targets on this of 16, 31, and 42 ticks. Anyway, this did really well today, just one of quite a few symbols that performed well today. Okay, next up is the DAX on a Super Renko 14 tick, and of course we've seen this quite a bit here. This did 1912 for the day, so probably hit its goal of 2000. It was fairly active, but it rallied here about an hour and a half after the London Open, with these 3 winners at the end. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a Super Renko 7 tick. This had 2 trades back to back, actually a small loser here right at the open of the session, and then 2 winners back to back and another small loser here, and this did 1290 for the day on 2 contracts. Okay, next we have the DAX on a 150 tick chart, just a regular chart, and this had a really nice short trade here, and then a small winner here put us to our goal of about 1500 on this chart. Our goal was 1550, so obviously we had a couple of ticks of slippage with our market order when we hit our goal. Okay, the DAX on the Super Renko 7 tick did 1512 for the day. Our goal on this one is 1500, and it was not that active. Looks like we hit our goal in the first 20 minutes or so of trading. Okay, next is the E-mini S&P on a 987 tick line break. This did 1287.50 for the day on 3 contracts. There was 2 trades here. Our goal on this one is 1300, so we had just 1 tick of slippage. Okay, the Nasdaq on the 1597 Heikin-Ashi tick chart had an equity high of about 1150, and pretty good performance overall. And then our equity high really was on this trade here, and then we had a loser here, and then gained a little of it back here. But if we could have exited up here, we'd have a little bit more. But anyway, pretty good. This we saw this chart yesterday as well. Okay, crude oil on a 377 tick line break chart had a total of 3 trades, a winner, a loser here, and then this winner rallied to our probably $1,000 profit target on 2 contracts. And so we had 2 ticks of slippage with our market order at the end. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P, and this looks like it had 5 trades, 4 winners and 1 loser. And you can see the short trades here. This is on a Super Renko 4 tick, not using a higher time frame. And our goal is 1,000, so we probably hit our goal and then had a couple of ticks slippage here. Okay, next up is the crude oil on a 987 tick chart, and we hit our goal in a single trade, probably 1,000 with one tick of slippage. So pretty nice here. And you can see the indicator signals, really excellent signals on the indicators. And of course the Autotrader automating those signals. You can see where we got filled on our limit order, and then really excellent placement on the exit. Okay, the crude oil on a 6 Renko did 740 on what looks like to be just 2 trades here. And this is just a regular 6 Renko chart using a Super Renko 6 tick as our higher time frame.